ole voina chuan page 104 ami solenoid kha kan ziranga solenoid kan ti chu a long coil of many circular turns thir zai vai tam tak an luma kha mo he dynamo anga te pau kan hunga khang kha current kal khanin magnet angin an omani an mani khan thir hip theina ne ni mo khatiang kha solenoid antia when current is passed through such a solenoid, a magnetic field is produced around and within itself the solenoid. Current ama akhana kaltlang che khanin magnetic field ka ama akhana produce ni mo in the end of the solenoid at which current flows is anticlockwise direction behaves as magnetic north pole. Among lampang kha north pole ania alu lampang kha current ron lu na lampang kha south pole and donani magnet achoni north poleและ south pole kan ne current lu na lam kha south pole ne current chhu na lam kha north pole and donani mo figure khanin bunga south pole and north pole current lu na lam pang kha in bunga he lam pang hen current ron lu ta kha south pole ne among lam pang kha north pole ani the chuan thus a solenoid produces a field in which magnetic lines of forces are very much similar to that of a bar magnet. Bar magnet thir hip theitlon kan ti nen khan current solenoid ta akal che khanin magnetic field alo pe chok ve a thir hip theitlon kan ti ang khanin thir hip theina kha alo ne ni magnetic field lines ka lo produce ve ta ni mo kha anita tichonin hei lela makhan electromagnets kan ne electroni chonin electric animeya magnets electrons mo electrons chevela fanga magnet ani teina ka solenoid te ponianga khangho kha electromagnets kan ti chu ania when electric current is passed through a solenoid this soft iron core gets magnetized solenoid current akal khan chunga thir kan hlum na kha alo in magnetize ta mo thir hip theina kha lo ne ta ni an electromagnet is a temporary strong magnet electromagnet kan ti ho chu temporary ni chon hunrei lo te chung current kan kal tir chung chau kha magnet ania current akal tlang lo chuan magnet ani lo ti na ni chu mo it remains a magnet only as long as current flows as soon as the current is switched off current can switch off fele it loses its magnetism thir hip theina kha lo ta thina ni current can off can switch off fele khan a solenoid with a soft iron core is used whenever a temporary electromagnetic is needed solenoid kan ti ho kha nge electromagnet kan na mun pia khan an mang thina tekhin nan electric device ti sang sang ate kha noya khanin electromagnetic are used in many devices like electric bell skula bell kan merik ang chi te telephone te telegraph te generator etc tui kan pam na ang chi te phone kan man na ti ang zong khanin an mang ve kani mo they are also used to lift heavy iron pieces by cranes mga thir hip nan hei motor sapram anga chonin motor te khatiang thir chian da khom nang kha crane mangin an hip khom bur chian ni mo kha current an kaltira kha khan magnet angin ron oma ti chonin an du na hmuna khanin an thak do na khan current khan off thir zong khat la le thina ni khatiang khanin solenoid electromagnets kan ti ho man na ania ale nam pe cha khan kan huanga current carrying conductor rod kha oira kan khaya ti chonin khami rod deklo khanin horseshoe magnet kan da mo atira chona che son mi don lawa ti chonin khami rod waira kan khana khanin current kan kaltir tani khatia current kan kaltir che khanin rod khan magnetic field aron pechuak dona chu chonin bar magnet ne na aron in react che khanin force experience don tani alo che son dor dona mo kha current carrying conductor current kaltlang na reng khanin force magnetic field and produce aniti demonstrate na kan show off kan show na kha ania mo kan lantir na kha ania experiment angin naron kalani